In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello's main search bar. If you've ever found yourself clicking around trying to locate the right board, this will save you time right away. The main search bar is your quick lane to any board you need, and it's always right where you expect it. Look to the top left corner of your Trello dashboard, right near the app's navigation. You'll see the search box there. The same search box also appears at the top left when you're inside any specific board, so you never have to return to the dashboard just to search. You can click directly into that box to start typing, but there's an even faster method. Press the / key on your keyboard. The moment you press it, your cursor jumps into the search bar automatically. No mouse, no extra clicks. Just press / and start typing. This is especially handy when you're in the middle of a task and want to move quickly without breaking your flow. As you type a board's name, Trello filters your workspace and shows the boards that match. You don't need to type the full name. Start with a few letters or the most distinctive word in the title. The results adjust instantly, so you can narrow things down in seconds. Before you choose a result, hover your mouse over any board in the list. That hover gives you a quick, helpful preview. You'll see the board's background and the workspace it belongs to. This small detail makes a big difference. If you use similar naming patterns or work with templates, the background image or color becomes a visual cue that tells you, at a glance, whether you've got the right one. And the workspace label confirms you're looking at the board inside the correct team, which helps you avoid opening a similarly named board somewhere else. Because the search bar is available both on the dashboard and from within any board, you can jump between boards without hunting through menus. Press the /, type a few letters, hover to confirm, and you're on your way. It keeps your attention on the work, not on navigating the interface. To make this even smoother, consider giving important boards short, distinctive names so they rise to the top with just a couple of keystrokes. And if you're a visual thinker, choose unique backgrounds for your most used boards so those hover previews stand out immediately. That's all you need to master Trello's main search bar. Find it at the top left. Use the / shortcut for instant access. Type a board's name to filter your workspace, and hover over results to preview the background and workspace. Simple, fast, and built to keep you moving.